Hey guys, welcome to question FM125 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. This question reads, the graph above shows consecutive terms of a sequence. Now, I'm going to jot in the little graph, or just a little reminder of what that graph's going to look like. Like that. Excellent. This sequence could be, and then we're given 5 different options to choose from. So option A is an arithmetic with common difference D, where D is less than 0. Now, they haven't actually specified whether this is an increasing or a decreasing amount, but if we were to guess at what this might look like, given that this is arithmetic, we would expect to see something going in a straight line and either going up by that amount that's less than 0, or we would expect to see it going down, but in a straight line. So not both of these together, but this line here or this line there. Those are our two sort of options when it comes to this answer. Neither of these looks like our graph that we were given at the start. So A is definitely not our answer. B says that we have a geometric with common ratio R, where R is between -1 and 0. So first of all, when we've got a number, when we've got a rate, I should say, that is between between 1 and 0, first of all, we know it's going to be getting smaller. So it's going to be a number like 0.5 or 0.9 or 0.74628. Anything between 0 and 1 is going to make things smaller when we use it as a rate. But this is -1, so whatever this number is going to be -0.5 or -0.9, -0.7264. Which means that it's going to alternate from side to side as it does get smaller. So we might have a number here, and then on the other side, it's, let's say, half as big. And then it's going to alternate back to the other side, half as big, alternate back to the other side, half as big, so on and so forth. And that looks quite similar to what we're looking at here. So that was option B, and that's looking pretty good right now. So we might jot that down and say that that's what we're thinking for the moment. But as is always important in multiple choice questions, we're going to test the other answers also, because we can do it quickly and we want to make sure that we are 100% right. So option C says geometric with common ratio R, where R is between 0 and 1. So very similar to what we just talked about, except now what's going to be happening is it's between 0 and 1, which means it's going to be getting smaller, but because it's not negative, we're going to be getting either smaller like that, or if it's a negative number that we're starting with, it's going to be getting smaller like this. Those are our two sort of options there, and neither of those looks like our potential answer. So C doesn't look like it's one of our answers either. D says geometric with common ratio R, where R is greater than 1. Cool. So if we have R is greater than 1, it's probably going to look something like this. Because of course we've got a number that's going to be increasing in size over time, or it may look like, sorry, no it won't. Yes it will. Look like that. So whether we're starting with a positive number or a negative number is going to tell us which way we're moving like this. Once again, neither of those look like our potential answer, so D is probably not our answer. Option E. Now E says geometric with common ratio R, where R is less than -1. Less than -1, which means -2, -3, -100, -1,000,000, any of those numbers. Now, once again, because it's a number that is bigger than 1, that means that we're going to have that sort of increasing curve as we go from left to right. But because of that negative, once again, we're going to be moving from side to side, getting larger in this type of fashion, which is sort of the opposite. It's almost like it's on a little bit of a flip here to what we're looking for. So B definitely still holds up as being our best answer, and of course that is the correct answer. If you guys have any questions about what was going on here, please drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.